moving to San Antonio and wondering how are you going to make friends in the big city? I've got you covered. Here are the top tips to help you meet people and feel at home fast. Let's get started. If you're moving to San Antonio and you've got some anxiety about making friends, you are definitely not alone. This is actually one of the most common concerns I hear from newcomers. Before we jump in though, I want to personally invite you to join our Facebook group, Relocating to San Antonio. It's a friendly space where you can ask questions, get local tips, and even start making connections before you arrive. The link is in the description below. San Antonio may be one of the largest cities in the country, but it's also one of the friendliest. Here are my top tips for meeting people and building your community when you move here. Number 1, use meetup.com. Meetup.com is an awesome resource for finding groups and events based on your interests. Whether you love hiking, food, board games, volunteering, or you're just wanting to try something new, there is a meetup group in San Antonio for you. It's a fantastic way to connect with people who share your hobbies. Number 2, get involved with your local churches. San Antonio has a vibrant faith community, and local churches are wonderful places to meet people and get involved. Many offer small groups, volunteer opportunities, and social events perfect for making connections, even if you're new to the area. Number 3, attend community events. Do not miss out on San Antonio's festivals, farmers markets, and neighborhood gatherings. You can find out what's happening each week by checking out the San Antonio Current magazine or following local Facebook and Instagram accounts like Relocating to San Antonio on Facebook or My San Antonio and Visit San Antonio on Instagram. These events are great for meeting new friends and experiencing the city's unique culture. Number 4, explore clubs and organizations. From sports leagues to book clubs, San Antonio has a club organization for just about any interest. Joining one is a great way to meet like-minded people and start building your social circle in your new city of San Antonio. Number 5, say hello to your neighbors and join your neighborhood Facebook group. Sometimes making friends starts right at home. Don't be shy, introduce yourself to your neighbors, and organize a small get-together after you move in. Also, be sure to join your local subdivision's Facebook page. Most neighborhoods have their own group. Residents share news, recommendations, and even organize block parties or meetups. It's an easy way to stay connected and get to know the people living around you. Remember, building new friendships takes a little time and effort, but in San Antonio, it's full of welcoming people and opportunities to connect. If you have any questions about moving here, you need local recommendations, or you want to join our Facebook group, Relocating to San Antonio, just check the link in the description below or reach out to me directly. I'm here to help you feel right at home. Thanks for watching and welcome to San Antonio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone else making the move to the Alamo City. I'll see you next time.